Hello internet, welcome back to my channel. So finally it's last month of the year, and not finally, it is so sad that it is the last month of the year and that the year 2018 has ended so early. For me it has ended so early. I was like, it has just started and now it is going to end. For me, it was the shortest year ever till now, and I can't bear it. So I'm not gonna speak much about this without wasting much time because I'm gonna cry otherwise. Okay, so here is the December Plan With Me video, and yes, this is the last Plan With Me video for the 2018. Not the last one forever, but for this year. So for this year, I did Christmas decoration balls, those decorating balls which we hang on our Christmas trees. I have drawn that, and inside it I'm drawing a winter scene with my watercolors. I'll link down all the supplies that I'm using in this video in the description box below, so make sure to check out the description box. I will be linking down all the shades of the colors that I'm using and all the numbers of the brushes and each and every pen, so make sure to check that description box. I am drawing some pine trees and a little house, and I will be showing some snowfall. In the last few weeks I was not able to post much because I was not getting an idea. I also posted this on my Instagram that I am not able to doing much of drawing and coloring. I don't know why, but I was, when I just sat and I just wanted to draw something, but I also did, but it didn't turn out as much as good. So I felt like very sad and very, that I can't do anything, that I'm not able to do it and all that stuff. So I was very sad that time, and I'm really happy that this particular painting has turned out good. This is not ruined. Otherwise, till now, my each and every watercolor painting, each and every sketching was getting ruined, and I was getting very upset and frustrated. So I just used to throw all the papers around myself, and it was so bad. But now I think I'm finally coping with it. I was very overloaded with all the school works. So on the next page, I am not drawing a calendar for this month. I wanted a change. So the change is that I will just writing the important dates, all the dates on which there is some event or something, and not the entire calendar. I also have done this little black portion on which I will be writing a quote, a beautiful one. And these two boxes are my YouTube tracker and this month box in which I'm gonna write some particular events and what all things I have to do, goals for this month, and anything which I like. And here I'm writing the quote. with my Uniball white pen. This is so satisfying. This pen, I just love this pen. The quote says, "You can, you should, and if you are brave enough to start, you will." This is by Stephen King. And I thought of drawing some Christmas lights around my important dates and my this month box corner, and I just like the way it has turned out. I've kept this spread very simple and minimal this time, and I'm just loving this. For my mood tracker, I decided to do something different this time. So what I have in my mind is that I will be doing snowflakes for my different moods. I will be, just taking, suppose I'm happy. So the color for the happy will be blue, and if I'm happy on that particular day, then I will be drawing a snowflake with blue. So that snowflake will be depicting my happy mood for that particular day. So this way I'm gonna do it. So I've just drawn one snowflake, and I'm just drawing a circle and writing the dates on the left portion, and it will be completed by the end of the month. And I just want to look how it looks after all the snowflakes are there. So now it's a draw with me time. I decided to do how to draw a reindeer in just 3 easy steps. So let's get started. I just like that you have some video on some other topic and you are just starting a very kind of a related topic in that particular video itself. So it's like one video for 2 things. So I just like that idea. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So I'm just drawing a very simple cartoonish style reindeer in 3 steps. So first I draw the face, and the second step was I draw the ears and the horns, and in the third step I will be drawing a body. I have shown this reindeer like sitting in a very oddly manner and just enjoying the winter and all that snow and the Christmas time and the beautiful time of the year. So you can see he's still sitting in a funny way. And yes, finally I'm coloring my reindeer with red, brown, mustard and black. So this is my final flip through. Not the flip through, but yes, this is my final setup for the month of December. Now the next plan with me video will be in 2019 January, and with a new bullet journal and some new supplies will be there. So I'm very excited for that, and I hope you like this video, and I really hope that you like this month December, and just I'm hoping that you have the best time of the year in this month, and may your all that which is left you do for this month, and I'm just hoping the best for you. So have a good time and have a good year and a really good last month. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment on my video. Thank you once again. Bye bye. I'll see you next time.